Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to see me turn this box of parts into this? Stay tuned. Okay, so I have reprinted the entire chest and backpack for the Starboost. So I used armorsmith this time to just scale it better. So now we're going to put that together and hopefully it'll fit better. There's one thing I'm going to change. I'm not going to attach the bottom part of the abs. I'm going to do some Velcro. I got that idea from Franklin Built, so hopefully this will work. So let's get started. Today we're going to continue working on the Starboost chest and backpack. I had to reprint the entire right booster because it just didn't fit right. I don't know what happened to it. So I'm trying to print out the top part of the right booster, and hopefully that'll fix it, and then I can just separate what I've already done and then just weld that all together. So today I'm going to continue working on the chest and putting all those pieces together, and I'm also going to work on the abs as well. Okay, so I've got most of the pieces welded together. Some pieces took a little while to get together. I actually did a pretty decent job welding most of this together. I mean, yeah, you can pretty much, you can obviously see that big seam down there, but there's no way I was able to print this in one solid piece and not use like almost a full roll of filament. I did not want to do that. So I have almost everything done. I don't know how it all fits together. I'm hoping it fits better. I used armorsmith to scale everything, so hopefully everything should fit better. So what I'm going to do with these lower ab pieces, I'm actually going to weld some Velcro on there with some rafts, and I'll use that to connect to the chest so it can fit a lot better. Because what I did before, I had a difficult time putting the chest on. Okay, so I got all the pieces welded together, so now let's just test this out and see how it looks. I'm gonna weld some magnets here to hold this together so I can snap it together. But it looks like it works out pretty well. I still have to work on the lower ab parts right here. I have to weld some rafts to probably to the back of the chest, so that way I could use some Velcro to Velcro together. So it's definitely a lot better than it was before. Still got some work to do. Like I said, I got to do some magnet work on it, and then just to do some small modifying here and there if needed. And of course, I will be wearing a morph suit underneath, so I won't be getting caught to everything. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also remember to hit the thumbs up button to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you.